Hello, I'm in a 2015 Chevy Trax, and today I'm going to show you how you would add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off and cool, you don't want to do this while the vehicle's hot because the system works under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil. You don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out on you. But that said, this is the reservoir we're working with, your coolant reservoir. So on the sides, you can see there's the liquid, and there's like a max line right here, and then the minimum would be below that. So you want to ideally pretty close to this range, and you do want some air gap, so you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. But this would be where you unscrew. So you unscrew here while the vehicle's off. And so I'm basically there, and you'll just pop this off, and then either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, you'd fill as needed to get to your max line roughly, and then screw this back on nice and tight. Make sure this is tight for the system to work properly, and make sure to match the color of coolant as best as you can, and ideally the same brand of coolant you've been using. You don't want to mix and match if you can help it. And then check around your reservoir here through all your lines, make sure there's no leaks or cracks. You can check around your radiator as well, make sure nothing's cracked through there. And one way to check some of that system too is while the vehicle's running, you might see coolant start to puddle around the engine compartment or under the vehicle. And if there are leaks, how to tell this coolant versus like water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to the liquid. It would have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want to touch it with your fingers, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.